Technology was the key to our survival. The frontier was everywhere. We were bounded only by the earth and the ocean and the sky.